Are you giving enough convincing reasons to your potential clients to buy from you? Let's understand the role of social proof and how to use it to attract more clients in your business. I'll give you 5 types of social proofs that you can use in your organic social media marketing campaigns. What's up, my social tribe? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Khushbu Pandya, your social media bestie, and every week I bring you videos to help you create your financial freedom and transform yourself into a digital CEO. Before sharing the types of social proofs, let me share what is a social proof. Now let me explain to you by giving a simple daily life example. Whenever we want to buy something, be it the smallest household thing like a toothbrush or an expensive thing like a car, we tend to buy from a trusted source or a trusted brand, right? We as consumers do our research and find testimonials or reviews before buying anything. Either we ask our friends and family or we turn to online reviews and social media pages. But have you thought that why do we research before buying anything? It is for a simple reason that we all want value for our money. Whether we are buying a 5 rupee product or a 5 lakhs rupee product, we need certain proofs like purity, service, reliability, durability, sustainability, etc. And that's what social proof is. Social proofs are the trust builders for every business and personal brand. They hold the power of convincing the audience to buy from a particular seller. They create a sense of trust that consumers put on the brand. It establishes an authority in the industry. A business that has raving reviews from its customers and has high credibility in the market is often looked upon as an industry leader, and these social proofs help that business to position itself in the top of its niche. So how can you build social proofs in your services business? Let me show you 5 types of social proofs that can have impact on your business and that has also worked for me. The first kind of social proof is customer reviews and testimonials. As a social media manager, you need these testimonials as a social proof because you are into services business, and the most important measure of your offering is how you help your client achieve their social media goals. Their testimonials on LinkedIn and Instagram stories would do wonders for your business. Reviews and testimonials describe certain details and specific problems and challenges with which you have helped them. So, when other prospects on social media who might be facing similar challenges or problems in their business see such testimonials, they can relate to it, and that makes potential customers take action. This way, social proofs like reviews and testimonials work like a digital word of mouth on social media channels. So always make sure to record and document client reviews and testimonials so that you can wear them as medals and showcase your credibility in your niche. The second type of social proof is awards and accolades. Other than your customers, some industry recognized institutions and organizations are important entities that you should consider for getting your social proof. Let's say your social media agency wins a best campaign award or your work is featured in reputed press media. These events highlight your capabilities amongst the industry professionals. But let me also add here that it is okay if you do not have such social proof. Please do not run in the race of collecting awards just for the sake of social proofs. Especially according to me, awards that you buy with money are useless. In my decade-long journey, I've always been appreciated and recognized organically for the work I do. It is far more impactful when you do not work for awards. Well, moving ahead with another social proof, and that is case studies. Case study is a format of content which is a much more in-depth story identifying your customer problems, the solution you offered, the marketing strategies you implemented, the results you achieved, and the gap you addressed in the client's market. Case studies are the best ways to highlight customer stories. The best example of using case studies as social proofs is Canva. The company shares stories of its customers about how they used the software and their businesses has achieved transformational results. These stories are inspiring and build an instant connection with the brand. Check out Canva's LinkedIn profile to read and watch their customer stories. They are really amazing, and you'll definitely get ideas from how to build a case study for your social proof. The fourth type of social proof is UGC, that is user generated content. Now, what can be more trustworthy than your audience creating content for your brand? User generated content that gets published without you asking your audience is the best kind of content. Now, let's say if your content helps your audience, they will reshare it in their profiles. If they are happy with your services, they will create a reel for you. Happy customers and fans often share their feedback and experiences through mentioning and tagging your brand on their pages, or on their social posts, using your branded hashtags, writing reviews on public review websites, etc. You can choose to repost this user generated content on your social accounts as a social proof. However, please make sure that the legality of such UGC content, that is user generated content, is in place. Take prior permissions from them to use these content onto your accounts. These user generated content can be both organic and invited on request. Organic are the ones that come from the pure appreciation for the service, and the brand has never had to ask for such gestures. While when you are a new business and you have given your best, you just need to politely ask your customers to create some form of content or an appreciation post for you. And that kind of content is invite based content. Another form of user generated content can be generated through influencer campaigns and contests. You as a service provider can touch base related influencers in your niche and collaborate with them to generate some user generated content that can work as a social proof for your business. And now coming to the last type of social proof, and that is customer milestones. Sharing customer milestones like 1000 plus clients or 1 million satisfied customers, etc., can evoke a sense of trust in the audience. When the majority of people are happy buying a certain service or product, it puts people into mixed feelings like curiosity or fear of missing out. Well, I have personally bought many products out of curiosity and fear of missing out. And I'm sure you might also have done the same. These are natural human reactions that plays an important role in marketing. So when you see statements like 10,000 people have already made a purchase, you tend to assume that it's a right choice for you as well. So highlight your best milestones that you achieved in your business as a social proof to your online audience. Again, please make sure that you are not faking these numbers, okay? Please be authentic and say what's genuine and trustworthy. Sharing social proofs adds authenticity and a fresh perspective to your brand's social media content. I'm sure these tips will help you source social proofs correctly and use them effectively in your organic social media marketing. And that's a wrap. These were my top 5 kinds of social proofs that you can build in your business to sell more and attract new clients for yourself. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of social proofs and how to generate them for your business. As a social media manager, try to help your clients build these trust factors for their businesses, and you are sorted to work with them for a long term. Until next time, keep creating good vibes globally. Bye-bye.